Hi, welcome guys. Philippine Expat Country living here. I just wanna show you here guys. That is why the water here are very fast to evaporate because of the look at here. The roots. I just pour the mess here. Hawa lang. You see that? The roots taking over in the pan. There's a frog there. This is the water that I use watering the plants here, the seedlings, some of the veggies, my plants, and I really need to move the roots here. I'm just scared if I'm gonna move the roots, it will destroy the wall. What do you think, guys? Maybe I just cut there so it won't grow outside, so I just leave it here on the wall. Oh, Jesus. We still have what do you call this one? Fish here, tilapia. I just sweep the ground today, and I need to keep the collect the dead leaves here. I don't know where are the fish here. Just wondering really why the water is so fast. If it will decrease. Now when I pull some of the wood here on top, oh God, there we go, the roots. It's so nice, my after the rain. Oh, my flower here, so lovely, really. And now it's hot again. Ay, nadua ilangga. I wanna show you here. Yeah, I replanted yesterday. Before it is in the small pot, but now here guys, my ampalaya, only one out of one pack. You're just wondering why you had a mark on the leaves. Oh, they're healthy. There's no worm. Then I clean up here. I need to rearrange that one. Hey, Sap, what are you doing? You label the ground? Label the ground. There you go, Sap. You can lay down or anytime you want. Here is my, I'm not sure what should I call here. My little garden. I can't sweat her because the sun so bad. Hot again. It's so lovely. The grass here turns to green some. This is a beautiful color, guys. The sun is white here. My music is so loud there in the kitchen. This is so lovely too. Light orange. And the white background in the middle. See that one, guys? Beautiful. Very beautiful. And here is light orange. Okay. And next here is red. So see the different one. And this side is very light pink. See, very light pink. And at the back, this is a all orange. You see that? Very orange. Very beautiful color. So amazing. And this is good for today. This is different color too, guys. It's purple. And bye for now, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Oh wow, I need to get my here before I close my thumb. I replanted here some of the okra. There you go. Yesterday. And here, update to my, what do you call this one, malunggay. You see? It's growing. See? Very nice. And here, all. So down here, that's it. Very, very nice. The eggplant here, looking good too. And here, I need to pour some of the thick sandal paper. There's no end blossom really because I apply the antacid tablet. Good size. You see that? This is different one. Bell pepper. So cute. This must be a sweet. I don't know. This different one among the rest. Oh, here. Oh. See that one, guys? Very nice. So, bye. You guys like a Christmas lantern. It's so beautiful. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice